Hopefully you guys can hear me. There's some construction in the background. So, I just got in the mail my Nama J3. Now, before I open it, I did get the Black Friday sale and or Cyber Monday sale. I don't know. I'll put her YouTube channel, but I got the code from Helen. I think it's. I'll just put it in the description or on the video somewhere. So that did help, but like really, they added on after that taxes and shipping, and I'm still there just like staring at the checkout page, wondering like, okay, uh, just press the button. You can do it. So, but really, I did need this for my health. Right now, the only juice that I drink is like those organic juices from Costco, the apple juice, the mango nectar, and the like passion fruit nectar. And I'll make lemonade, and I'll make also that grape juice from Costco. That's really the only drinks that I drink, and that are juices, that are fruit juices. Or I'll make smoothies. Box is so cute. Okay, so this is the first box. It says start here. So this is has booklets. It has a get starting guide. So we're gonna take a look at that, and then it has a recipe book. A lot of green juices. So you can see what it looks like. And then operating manual. So I'm gonna read all this and put it together later after I clean everything. Okay, so the next box is the chamber set, which looks like that. And it says that it comes pre-assembled, and then I would need to take it apart and, ooh, this is nice. Oh, I love that it comes with a bag. I got the white one, but I'm thinking I should have got the black one. Let's see here. So it's not it's not too big. It's a nice size. It looks bigger on like camera, but this is just telling you how to layer your different types of produce into it so that it juices properly. And that's what that looks like. Okay. So I need to take this apart and clean it and reassemble it. Don't know how to do that just yet, so for now I'm gonna put it back in a bag and put it to the side, or I'll just do this. This is a nice bag too. Like, this is a nice material. I don't know what that material is, but this is nice. Okay, so this is the motor base. comes in a nice bag. This is the other strainer. I think this is the larger strainer for smoothies and like soup. And it comes with a plug and the cleaning brush. And last, the container set. Loving all the bags. Okay, so another bag. And here is, it would be nice if this is glass and not plastic. So I think this is for the pulp and this is for the juice. I like that it has a lid. Okay, so I'm going to clean everything and assemble it, and we're going to come back and test it out. Okay, so I'm back, and what I'm going to do is carrot and apple juice. Carrot apple juice. And so I have here everything chopped up, and I wonder if I can even, I wonder if I have to put some type of leafy greens in there. So just in case, I'm gonna add some salad mix. Okay, I'm gonna overfill it. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. Oops, let me try that. It's doing something. I think the pulp is still kind of, there's a little bit of moisture in it. It's not like completely dry, but it's pretty dry. And this is like 5 apples, and you saw I put like a handful of salad mix, and this was like 5 or 6 large carrots. I wish I liked carrot cake or like carrot muffins, but I really don't. So I have to figure out what I'm doing with this pulp. I don't even really like carrot juice, but I have to drink this. I feel like this is moving. It's like kind of, I don't know if that's normal. Did I put it on right, guys? Is this supposed to be like rocking back and forth like that? So it says to let it continue to run for a couple minutes after all the ingredients is down into the agar, just to make sure that it gets all the juice out. I'm gonna turn it off and then flip it over. That's all the pulp. And I got 16 ounces of juice. That's what the juice looks like. That's what the inside looks like.